Alsa again. Got two gas tanks here. This one's been sprayed. This one's been brushed. But something happened with this brush mark. I'm going to try and get it out just by spraying over it. Okay, it seems that the brushing is more clear of a mirror. And but this can be buffed to this shine. Fantastic stuff. We're gonna go now. Can you repair it? My man here is gonna try and repair it by just squeeze spray. Here. Okay, let's see if we've taken that mark away. Sorry folks for waiting on the paint to dry. ¿Está mejor?
Yeah. A little buffing.
With a little buffing, we'll get this out. Or and you see the spray is nice, but it's not as clear as the brushed piece. Just gorgeous.